In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step on how you can add follow button to your Facebook page. Let's get started right now. But before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. I'm gonna be showing you 3 ways on how you can add follow button on your Facebook page. Now this works 100%. Just follow these simple steps and you will be able to add the follow button by the end of this video. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to switch to your page. Okay, now this is my Facebook page. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on see all profiles, and then you want to select the page that you want to add the follow button to. Now I would like to add the follow button to this page. As you can see right now, I don't have the follow button. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, to add a follow button is you want to click on these 3 little dots, as you can see. Now like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways or 3 methods on how you can add the follow button. Now the first method is to click on these 3 little dots and you want to click on edit action button, the second option, and then click try it and search here for follow button. If you can see here the follow button, now as you can see here watch now, you can see contact us, send email, call now. Now if you can see here follow button, click on it. If you can see it like me, like I don't have the option that says follow button, then just follow these simple methods. I'm gonna be showing you 2 other methods that will help you get the follow button. Now the second method, guys, is to switch to your own Facebook profile, not the Facebook page, your own Facebook profile. Okay, now as you can see, this is my Facebook profile. Now you can actually turn this into a page if you don't know that. Now this is a new method, like a new option that Facebook has introduced. They released this like a few months ago. Like you can actually turn this into a page, and you can you can do everything. Like you can watch videos, you can upload videos and make money. You can do everything that you do on your own page. You can do that on your own Facebook profile, and also you can talk to your friends, and your friends will not be able to see what you are doing on the page if that's what you want. Of course you can disable that option, and your friends will be able to see the videos that you are going to post and stuff like that. Now it's actually the professional mode. If you don't know what is the professional mode, you want to, like you say, switch to your Facebook profile, and then you want to click on these 3 little dots, and then you can click on turn on professional mode, and then click on turn on. And here what you need to do, guys, next is to wait a few seconds and click on done. Now you have successfully turned your own Facebook profile into a Facebook page, and here as you can see 25 people are following me. And let me show you guys the follow button. Now if you click on these 3 little dots, this is what your friends or strangers that will visit your own Facebook profile, this is what they are going to see. If you click on view as, it means that this is how it looks when someone visits your own Facebook profile. As you can see, this is the follow button. Now if you give your friend your own if you give someone the link of your Facebook profile, they will be able to see there the follow button, and they will be able to see the videos that you post. It's like you have a page. The same thing with a page. This is a new feature that Facebook has introduced. Like I said, I guess like 6 months ago, they have introduced this feature. Now you can take advantage of this feature, and also, like I said, you can make money. If you don't know what is Facebook professional mode, you can just search for it on YouTube, and you will be able to learn more about how you can do a lot of things. Now the second method, guys, the third method to add the follow button is to actually contact Facebook. Now the first thing you need to do is to switch again to your own Facebook page. After you switch to your own Facebook page, you want to click on your profile in the top right, and then you want to click on help and support, and then you want to click on report a problem, and then click on help us improve Facebook, and then click include in report. And here you want to choose an area. You want to choose pages. Okay, you want to search for pages, as you can see. And here you want to say I would like to have a follow button on my Facebook page, please help. Okay, Now the problem with this is you will have to wait 24 hours, so you need to be patient a little bit. And yeah, if you want to add the screenshot that you don't have a follow button, it's recommended just take a screenshot of the problem. And if you don't want, just do the same steps like me, just send here this text and then click submit. And that's it, guys. You will have to wait, like I said, 24 hours so that Facebook will get back to you. So I hope this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you want to learn more about how you can add the follow button, click the video on the screen and make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.